Hey guys and girls, if you're watching this. Well, today's gonna be a bike check. Got the bike put together this week. It's pretty sweet. Well, first off, I got the Fit FAF 20x30 tires with a somewhat pro rim. I can't remember what it's called, but it's pretty cool. I got this hub off some friend of mine. It's pretty sweet. It's got the nitrous single shot spokes in it. It's pretty sweet. I got these crown valve caps. It's pretty sweet. And the brass nipples. Some forks I got from a friend. They've lasted pretty good actually. The other ones I bent. Oh fuck. But I'm running the nitrous thing right there with the rant bars and some mission grips with the Eastern boss frame, unsealed headset with the sealed bottom brackets. They're Eastern. These are some GT cranks with the stolen chain wheel, and a KMC chain, the mongoose seat, and there's that sticker from Eastern. They promise you for upgraded parts forever. But I'm running the Briz back wheel. I unlaced it and sprayed it with the primer black and relaced it back. It's pretty good. And painted my frame this week. It's pretty sweet. Hopefully I'll get some new videos up. Maybe doing some tricks on it. You never know. But the GT cranks, like I said, they're held up pretty good. I've had them for like a year. And that seat I've had forever. I need a new one. But yeah. Here's how the back wheel sounds like. So subscribe, do whatever you want, I don't care. I'm just doing this for fun, have nothing else to do. But there it is. Always get your parts from Dance Comp. Dance Comp. These rant bars actually hold up pretty good. But remember, Dance Comp. And subscribe. Peace.